If your ads feel more expensive, if your leads feel less qualified, if everything seems harder than it used to be, you're not wrong and you're not alone. Something did change and nobody really explained it to business owners. So, in the next few minutes, I want to give you the full picture of what actually happened, why so many businesses are struggling with their marketing right now, and what we're doing that's helping companies stabilize and grow again. My goal is simple. By the end of this video, you should understand your situation better than 99% of marketing agencies do. So let's talk about what actually changed. Meta released its first of multiple updates, this one called Andromeda, earlier this year. Most people don't know what that means, most agencies barely understand it, or are even built to handle it. But it changed the entire advertising system. Here's the simple version. Before Andromeda, advertisers had a lot of control. You could stack interest groups, split audiences, run tons of small tests, and manually force the algorithm in certain directions. Now, that approach basically died overnight. Meta rebuilt the entire delivery system using a new AI engine that works completely differently. Instead of trying 20 tiny audiences, Meta now looks at every single user using AI and asks which ad is the best match for this person. It's matching people to ads at the individual level, not at an audience level, because the AI is scanning thousands of ads in real time. Now here's the part most agencies still don't understand. Interest stacking and micro-targeting will no longer give you an edge. In most cases, it will hurt your ad's performance. So the businesses who are still splitting audiences 10 different ways are actually hurting their results, not helping them. You need one person who understands creative, offers, data, and buyer psychology, and that's what we train our team on, what the new algorithm wants. The new algorithm only wants two things: simple structure, lots of strong, clearly different creative, because that's what allows the AI to learn the fastest. If you give it that, it performs incredibly well. If you don't, your results tank, and no amount of budget can save that. So let's talk about creative, because this is the big one. Creative used to be important. Now it's everything. Andromeda chooses winners based on your angles, your hooks, your messaging, how different each creative is, a lot more factors. It needs a variety of angles so it can match the right creative to the right person. One or two ads, that's dead. Andromeda needs multiple, clearly unique creatives. The AI can say this ad works for this person, this works for another type. This is why agencies that still run on one or two generic ads are getting punished right now. The system literally doesn't have enough data to match your business to the best buyers. If any part of that chain is weak, the algorithm assumes the whole system is weak and your performance tanks. This is why it feels random. This is why your cost per lead shot up. This is why your results are inconsistent. Your ads aren't failing. Your system is failing. And most agencies simply haven't updated their approach to match the new rules. And that brings me to the real problem: agencies. Most agencies are still running the same playbook they've been using for years. Same audiences, same type of creative, same landing pages, same follow-up, same excuses. They're not bad people. They're just operating with an outdated model, and Andromeda exposed every weakness in it. I talk to business owners every day who are frustrated because their agency can't explain what's going on, results fluctuate every week, they keep hearing lead quality is bad, and they're spending more and getting less. And it's because agencies are media buyers trying to operate in a world that now requires creative engineers. And this is the gap we built Triangle to fill. Now you might be asking, okay, but what do you actually do? Triangle is not a traditional marketing agency. We're a marketing engineering company. We rebuild the entire customer journey, the thing that Meta actually judges now. Our team has managed over $30 million in ad spend, built more than 300 marketing systems, and worked behind the scenes on campaigns for major brands, top agencies, home service companies, SaaS companies, local businesses, and even billboard artists. And across all of that experience, the pattern is clear. Businesses don't need more ads. They need a system that makes their ads work. So we built that system. We call it the Momentum Engine. Think of it like this. If Meta now judges the whole journey, then your entire journey has to be engineered to perform. You start with the creative, but not random creative. Creative specifically built to match how Andromeda ranks behavior. Creative that matches the prospect's awareness levels. Creative that signals this business has its act together. Then we rebuild your funnel, not with gimmicks, but with buyer awareness principles that move someone from never heard of you to I want to book a call. Then we layer in automated nurture, instant replies, AI-driven follow-up, objection handling, appointment boosting, everything your business needs to thrive today. Because Andromeda expects that level of system quality. And the most important part, the whole thing improves automatically based on real behavior, not guesses, but actual data. This is the piece most businesses are missing. And if you're wondering whether this works, we've used the system to fully book out home service companies, generate 10x returns for professional service brands, help agencies fix their own client funnels, sell out courses, sell out live events, and scale local and national businesses through every major change Meta has made. In fact, if you've seen a company that seems everywhere online, chances are they're using systems built on the same principles we engineer. So here's what I'd suggest. If your ads feel unpredictable, if your costs keep going up, if your agency can't explain what's happening, and your results don't match your effort, it's not because you're doing something wrong. It's because the rules changed and your system didn't. Book a call, we'll look at your customer journey together, show you exactly where Andromeda is affecting your performance, and walk you through how to rebuild your marketing so it actually works again. No pressure, just clarity. Remember, your ads aren't broken. Your system is outdated, and we build the new one.